Welcome to GW Tech Bytes. Today we'll shift gears and talk about how to improve your productivity in 2023 with Windows tools. Let's get started. Everyone who uses Windows does at least two of these things: health checks, antivirus protection, Windows updates, and disk cleanup. Now let's talk about this hidden gem, PC Manager by Microsoft, a free app that lets you safeguard your PC effortlessly with features like performance boost, storage management, health checkup, and professional antivirus protection. Once you install the app, you need to launch it. First thing you can do is boost your performance by deleting temporary files. Then you can do a health check, then proceed to cleanup. You also have the option to do a deep cleanup to manage your storage, then go back, and here you can see it suggests apps that you can close to improve your performance on your PC. Then you can go to Startup Apps. This lets you disable apps that are running on the background every time you turn on your PC and takes up the resources. Then under Security, you have the option to check for Windows updates, and you can simply update them. Finally, you can scan for threats on your PC. This is definitely a must-have tool that does it all. Next up, we have the Everything app. This search engine indexes your files, enabling lightning-fast searches across your PC. Once you install the app, you can customize your experience by adding preview and filter options under View. The Filters option helps you to focus your results by giving you categories you choose from. Say you're looking for a picture with the name GW Tech Bytes. If you click on the first one, it can show you a preview of the file before you even open it. You can also add a status bar, which will give you a bit more information like the size of the file and the number of results from the search. Plus, under Tools options, on Folder, you can connect everything to your Google Drive for seamless integration. As you can see, my drive is already added. Below, you can also customize how frequently everything checks your drive for updated files to keep your results indexed and up to date. Looking to optimize your PC's performance, we've got you covered. Right-click on the Windows icon or press Windows and X on your keyboard to access power options. Then under Power Mode, switch to Best Performance. Also, you can go to Settings by pressing Windows I on your keyboard, then search for Startup Apps. Here, you can stop apps that always run on the background on startup to free up resources. Finally, running low on storage? No worries. Activate Storage Sense by searching for it in Windows Settings as well. Then under Storage Management, toggle to turn it on. This will allow your PC to automatically free up space and manage locally available cloud content. Boost your PC's speed like a pro. Moving to screenshots. Capture the perfect screenshot with Windows inbuilt Snipping Tool. Press Windows Shift S to start and choose from rectangle, freeform, Windows, or full screen mode. You just need to highlight the area you'd like to screenshot, then it will give you a notification, and if you click on it, it will have the option to either copy to clipboard or save it as an image. You can even go back to New to add a different screenshot, and this time we choose freeform. Create the shape you'd want, and again you have it here. It's fast, simple, and gives you flexibility for your captures. You can also level up your screenshot game with Microsoft Edge. Press Ctrl-Shift-S to get started. You can capture an area or a full web page and have the option to save or copy the entire page as one epic screenshot. It's screenshot magic. For advanced users, ShareX is the ultimate tool. It's a Microsoft open source free program that lets you capture, share, organize screenshots and screen recordings effortlessly. Similar to the Snipping Tool, but with more features. It comes with pre-configured hotkeys that lets you easily take screenshots and screen record. To screen record, press Shift Print Screen on your keyboard, then select the area you'd like to record. It will start recording. Here you can see the timer, and once you're done, you can stop it. You also have the feature under Hotkeys settings that lets you easily add custom hotkeys. Say you're on Google Docs and you'd like to take a screenshot of this document. Press Ctrl Print Screen on your keyboard and then select the region you'd want to capture. What makes ShareX stand out is its ability to edit screenshots. I have set up a hotkey to open the editor, Ctrl-Shift-E. Then click on Load Image from Clipboard. In the editor, you can create shapes, use arrows, you can even blur sensitive information or add text, which is something you cannot do with the Snipping Tool. Also, to access your screenshots, go to Documents, then ShareX, Screenshots, then Year and Month, And finally, all your screenshots and recordings will be shown here. ShareX goes above and beyond. Next, maximize your productivity with these nifty Windows shortcuts. Press Windows D or go to the edge of your taskbar and press to show your desktop. This takes you instantly to the desktop when you are knee-deep in opened tabs or windows to start afresh. Or you can use the Windows plus greater sign button to access emojis for that extra flair in your writing, especially on social media for content creation. And lastly, we have the famous Windows L. This lets you lock your screen effortlessly and instantly without having to go to your Windows icon then select lock. Work smarter and not harder. Continuing, stay on top of different time zones with Windows additional clocks feature. You can go to adjust date and time, scroll down to additional clocks, set up multiple regions and easily track time worldwide. And now, when you click on date time, you will see your additional clocks displayed. It's time zone mastery at your fingertips. Don't forget about the cloud. Google Drive offers a generous 15 GB of free storage, while OneDrive offers 5 GB and Dropbox only 2 GB storage. In preferences, you have two options. My Laptop that allows you to add folders from your PC to sync with your Google Drive, and Google Drive that lets you see where your Google Drive folder is located on your PC, and also gives you two incredible options to choose from: streaming or mirroring files. Stream files stores all files in cloud only, while mirror files stores all files in the cloud and on your computer. Note, using the streaming option uses less hard disk space. Embrace the power of the cloud and keep your files safe and easily accessible. Finally, unlock Microsoft Office for free when you need to open a document in a pinch. Press Ctrl, Windows, Alt, Shift on your keyboard to access this hidden gem. I know those are many buttons to press at the same time, but it's worth it to have Office at your fingertips. And there you have it. Simple and free easy tools you can use to boost your productivity on Windows in 2023. I will leave links on the description below for all apps mentioned on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech bites. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.